Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart foam rollers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for deep tissue relief, enhanced muscle recovery, or just a great tool to improve mobility, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's dive right into the countdown. Coming in at number 5 is the Vulken Extra Long 17-inch Vibrating Foam Roller. This product stands out with its 17-inch full-size design, making it ideal for covering larger muscle groups like the back, quads, and hamstrings in a single pass. Its extended length is particularly beneficial for athletes and bodybuilders who need comprehensive coverage during their recovery routines. The Vulken roller features 4 vibration intensity settings, including an auto pulsating mode, which provides versatility for warming up, circulation improvement, and deep tissue recovery. With a powerful motor delivering high-intensity vibrations at 3,800 RPM, it effectively rolls out tightness and enhances muscle relaxation. The eco-friendly air-injected plastic shell ensures lightweight portability without sacrificing durability, and its quick charge technology provides over 4 hours of use per charge. While the Vulken excels in performance, its design may feel slightly bulky for users seeking portability. It's a fantastic option for those who need a robust, full-size foam roller, but may not be the best choice if you're looking for something compact. Overall, this roller is a versatile and effective option for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who prioritize larger surface coverage. At number 4, we have the Lifepro Flow Vibrating Foam Roller by Icebound Essentials. This roller is a versatile recovery tool, combining powerful vibration with targeted pressure massage. It's designed for everything from pre-workout warm-ups to post-exercise recovery, making it an essential fitness companion for athletes and active individuals. The Lifepro Flow offers 5 high-intensity vibration modes, ranging from 2,000 to 3,700 RPM, allowing you to customize your muscle therapy. The multi-zone surface pattern, crafted from premium EVA foam, effectively targets specific muscle groups with varying pressure intensities. This ergonomic design ensures comfort while maximizing therapeutic benefits. The 3.5-hour quick charge provides hours of cordless use, and its compact, travel-ready size makes it perfect for on-the-go recovery. One area where the Lifepro Flow shines is its balance between portability and functionality. However, it may not offer the same level of vibration intensity as some higher-end models. Nevertheless, its professional-grade muscle relief and thoughtful design make it a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable vibrating foam roller. Taking the number 3 spot is the Theragun WaveRoller. Known for its innovative design, this foam roller combines high-density EVA foam with a unique wave texture to deliver an exceptional rolling experience. It's Bluetooth-enabled and pairs seamlessly with the Therabody app, allowing users to adjust vibration frequencies and access guided routines. The WaveRoller features 5 customizable vibration settings and a long-lasting 180-minute battery life, making it a premium choice for those who value advanced technology in their recovery tools. Its wave grooves provide superior traction and an additional dimension of pressure, effectively targeting sore muscles and reducing tension. The protective carrying pouch and included power adapter add to its convenience. While the WaveRoller offers cutting-edge features, its higher price point and slightly heavier design might not appeal to all users. However, for tech enthusiasts and those who already use Theragun products, this foam roller is a fantastic addition to their recovery arsenal. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Lifepro 4-Speed Vibrating Massage Ball. This peanut-shaped foam roller is compact, portable, and designed for precision targeting of key muscle groups. It's perfect for users who need a high-performance recovery tool that doesn't take up much space. With 4 vibration frequency levels, this roller provides customizable intensity for everything from gentle relaxation to deep tissue relief. Its compact design allows you to target smaller areas like the calves, glutes, and shoulders with ease. And the included drawstring bag makes it easy to take on the go. The high-density foam construction ensures durability, while the corded electric power source delivers consistent performance. While its smaller size is great for portability, it may not be ideal for users needing full body coverage. However, its targeted relief and high-quality build make it a top choice for anyone looking for a portable yet powerful recovery tool. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the TriggerPoint Grid 1.0 foam roller. This budget-friendly option delivers exceptional performance, proving that you don't need to break the bank for effective muscle recovery. At just $29.99, it's a fantastic choice for beginners and experienced users alike. The TriggerPoint Grid 1.0 features a 13-inch multi-density surface with proprietary distro-density zones that mimic the hands of a massage therapist. This design allows for a personalized rolling experience, targeting tight muscles, knots, and kinks with precision. Its EVA foam-wrapped, hollow-core construction is not only durable, but also provides a deep compression for effective relief. Despite its affordability, it's built to withstand frequent use without losing its shape. While it lacks the advanced features of vibrating models, the simplicity and effectiveness of the TriggerPoint Grid 1.0 make it a standout product. It's perfect for anyone seeking a reliable, no-frills foam roller that delivers consistent results at an unbeatable price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the perfect smart foam roller for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions about the products we reviewed, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.